Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Install the latest Anytrans and use the original cable so data stays stable. Once done, unlock your iPhone and watch for the Trust This Computer prompt. Tap Trust because Anytrans needs device access to read backups and photos. Make sure iTunes or Finder is closed if on Mac to prevent conflicts, and disable VPNs or security apps that block USB services. Now plug the cable directly into both devices and wait for Anytrans to detect the phone. You now authorize and configure the actual transfer. Once Anytrans recognizes the iPhone, click the device icon and grant required permissions so it can read photos, messages, and backups. This reduces errors. Choose a transfer mode, phone switch, phone manager, or backup manager, depending on what you need, and preview items if you only want selective files. Make sure storage destinations on the computer have enough space. After confirming selections, press Transfer and monitor progress to ensure files copy cleanly. You finish by verifying the transfer. Check files inside Anytrans and open a few on your computer to confirm integrity. Once the progress bar hits 100% and Anytrans reports completion, use the Safe Eject option and then disconnect the cable. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot both the iPhone and the computer, then reconnect with a different original cable or a different USB port. This resolves most connectivity and detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.